Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinbase application using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to log into your Coinbase application, first, make sure you've downloaded the app on your iPhone. Once you have it, tap it open in order to launch it on. If you don't have an account yet on Coinbase, you can go ahead and get started by tapping on the Get Started button and register yourself to a new account. If you have an account already, tap on the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner from the first interface. You'll need to type in your email address and your password that is associated with your Coinbase account. Start off by typing in your email in the first text box. Make sure to enter the valid email address and then head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password that is associated with your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the Sign In button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After you're done typing in your email address and your password correct and you're ready to log in, click the Sign In button in blue. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Open up your Google Authenticator application and type in the 6-digit code that has been displayed on the app. After you're done, tap on Verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you want to receive instant notification from the app, tap on Turn on Notifications. If you don't want to do that right now, tap on Skip for Now at the bottom. And there you have successfully signed in or logged in to your Coinbase application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.